Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi my little friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in your 5th English lecture today. Let's start our day with the name of Allah. First we will recite Taus, Tasmiyah and then first Kalma. Okay my little friends, for reciting first Kalma, first you have to sit properly. Okay, so I'm also gonna sit properly like this. Everyone sit straight on your chairs, close your legs and fold your arms. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulallah. Okay, you can reinforce Taus, Tasmiyah and first Kalma with your mama or baba as well. Okay. Okay, my students, guess what we are going to do today. We are going to learn our alphabets or letters. But before that, let me know one thing. Do you remember your alphabet right song? What we have already in our previous lectures? Do you remember that song? Okay, we will recall that one. But before that, do you want to sing a ABC song with me? Let's sing a song. So are you ready? Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Okay, now recall your alphabet right song.
Chant. A, B, C,
D, E, F,
G, H, I,
J, K, L,
M, N, O,
P, Q, R,
S, T, U,
V, W, X,
Y, Z.
My kids, I hope you enjoyed this song. Okay, it's time to learn our first alphabet. So we are going to start. Hey kids, did you know that we are going to learn all about letter A? Okay, I have this flashcard in front of me. I can see uppercase A and a lowercase a. Do they look same or different? Yes, they look different, but they are making same sound. Okay, ah, 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 ah. Okay, whenever we making a letter, we always start from the top, never at the bottom. Okay, never at the bottom. We always start from the top. So you can put your 2 fingers on the top, start from the top, down and stop. Back to the top, down and stop. Line across the middle. It's a uppercase A. And for lowercase a, we do the same. We will always start from the top. So put your 2 fingers on the top of this letter, lowercase letter A. Around and stop. Around and stop. Line on the side. Okay. Around and stop. Line on the side. It's a lowercase a. Okay, can you see some objects over here? Their beginning sound is A. A. I can see A. Apple. A. Apple. Do you like apples? Yes, apple is good for your health. A. Apple. Okay, I can see some toy over here. That is a aeroplane. What's this? A aeroplane. So kids, the sound of letter A is A. Okay, we have 2 objects. I showed these real objects. A aeroplane, a apple. Okay, you have to repeat after me. A aeroplane, a apple. A apple, a aeroplane. Okay, I have a book. You can see some pictures over here. A apple, a apple, a ant, a ant, a arrow, a arrow, a aeroplane, a aeroplane. Okay, we can trace one more time. I'm just going to put it over here. Okay. A. 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 Okay, for uppercase, again we can reinforce this one, and lowercase, we always when we are going to write down any alphabet, we always start from the top. So start from the top, down and stop. Start from the top, down and stop. Go back the top. Again, go back the top, down and stop. Line in the middle. It's a uppercase A. And for lowercase, again we will go on the top. Round and stop. Round and stop. Line on the side. Round and stop. Line on the side. Okay, so you can reinforce letter A sound and its formation again and again for further reinforcement, and you can find out some objects their beginning sound must be letter A. Okay, and the sound of letter A is A. A. My kids, now we can try tracing, writing alphabet A, okay, lowercase and uppercase. First, we are going to start from the top, okay. Start from the top, down and stop. Again, go back the top, down and stop. Line across the middle. It's a uppercase A. And for lowercase a, again we are going to start from the top, around and stop, line on the side, around and stop, line on the side. It's a lowercase a. And now we can try tracing on this whiteboard, and you can try by yourself as well. Okay, put your pencil or put your marker, put your finger on the top of this alphabet, uppercase alphabet, and start joining these dots and start coming down, 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 stop. Okay, go on the top, down, down and stop. Again, go back on the top, start joining these dots and come down, come down, come down, stop, line, and put your pencil or marker over here and line in the middle. Okay, it's your uppercase A. For your lowercase a, put on the top of this dot and start coming around, around, around and stop. Then go back on the top and line on the side. So here it is. Okay, here is your letter A, and the sound of letter A is A. A. Uppercase A, lowercase a. A, apple, A, aeroplane. Alright, my students, very good. You did a good job. Okay, you have to do this practice. Whenever we do letter, we must do the letter chant. Okay, we do the actions. So everyone start doing this. A, Adam's apple, a. Adam's apple, a. Okay, your sounds come from this. A. Adam's apple, Adam's apple, a. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm. Okay. Alright, my students, now we can use our hand to make a letter A sign. Okay, your thumb should be like this, and your fingers, make sure your fingers, I can see your fingers like this. So do this action. A, letter A. Okay, A. I hope you will do this practice at home as well. All act and then listen and repeat.
Please help me find my hat. Here it is. Thank you.
120. Listen and point. Listen and repeat.
Please help me find my hat. Here it is. Thank you.
Okay, kids, we have already done this activity. Page from your student book, use saw that act, a small act helping friends. So we are going to do this page today. It's from an activity page, book page. It's a lesson 5 unit 1. Okay, the value of this page is like helping friends. As you can see, we have 2 pictures over here. In this picture, first picture, you can see the kids are looking for something. She needs something. She's searching over there in her cupboard, and he's not helping at all. Okay, this boy is not helping at all. So she's sad, she's worried about this time. So what we are going to do, is this good thing or bad thing that we are not helping someone? You tell me. It's not good. So what we will do, we will draw a smiley face, sad face here. Okay, not smiley one. Okay, in this picture, in the second picture, you can see their smiling face. Why she's smiling this time? Because her friend helped her. Okay, he helped her to find her hat. He is giving her hat this time. You can see she's also happy and he's also happy because he helped her friend. So is this a good thing that you help someone? Yes. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw a smiley face here. Okay, and you can color this picture as well.